person gets amaranth spinach. This is amaranth, what we call tandakiri in Tamil, type of spinach. And this person also takes these soursop leaves. This is a soursop fruit. So this soursop is anti-cancer fruit. This lady has stage 4 breast cancer, or she had. Now she's cured herself. In 1.5 years she's been taking, she makes a juice with this. We'll try it, and she eats this as well. Laxman Fal, Hindi mein.
Okay.
Mulu Chitta in Tamil.
Can I take a picture?
You can take as much pictures as you like, yeah. So this is in her basket as well. Of course she's got banana stems. She's a Tamilian. So she'll be like, thank you very much. Boom, boom, boom. I have a poril, or I'll have a curry with that. And then she's got some pumpkin. She's like, great. Oh, I'll put peanuts in with this, and I'll take out that center bit and I'll throw that in the chutney and use that, you know. I won't peel it because I know it's just from the farm, supernatural, you know, no need to peel it. And then she's like, great, papaya. I'll make smoothie, or I'll just eat it like that, you know. Or I'll make even ice cream or something. She's also got some bananas. She's got some snake gourd. She's got some cooking banana. Tonight on your menu, you're gonna have chips with this. Super tasty, like in Kerala. And you got green papaya. So with this, you peel it, and she's gonna make a salad. Like you'll also have that in the lunch and a little bit in the night. But she also might say, no, I don't feel like having salad. I'll cook it up. So she'll like cook it, and then people come to the cafe and they go, oh, what's that? It's a carrot. Very nice. No, green papaya. And they're like, what's those cubes with the? Oh, it's pumpkin, huh? No, it's green papaya. And then it's like this. Oh, what's in the soup? Oh, it's green papaya, coconut milk and lemongrass. And what's in the halwa? Oh, it's green papaya. This is so versatile.
So what is the difference between this and this?
This is ripe. This is not ripe. This won't become ripe because it's been harvested too early. So it's a vegetable. Same plant, vegetable. And then she's got drumstick. So this drumstick, right, is such a blessing. When I'm talking about the drumstick before, I'm talking about the leaves, to make soup with the leaves. But which we'll really eat today. We have a thing called adai, which is a ragi galette, like a chapati, roti with a ragi, and we put drumstick leaves in it with onion. But also for lunch, because we have so much of this, we have a drumstick soup. Now when you have a huge amount of this, what will happen in the market is it has no economic value because it's growing everywhere.